welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks videos. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to link your WhatsApp business with your Facebook page. So first, let's go ahead and open the WhatsApp business right here. And then once you open WhatsApp business, click on this three-dotted icon and then navigate to your settings and click on your business tools. Scroll down, you can notice where it says linked account, right? Go ahead and click on that. Now you can notice where it says Facebook page not linked, right? So to link your Facebook page, probably you can click on this link more. Just if you want to read more about it to know how it goes, you can click on that link. But since you're watching this video, I don't think there is any need for you doing there. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Now click on your Facebook application. I'll be doing this with Facebook application. You can also do this with Facebook Business Manager. It's still the same thing. Now click on this menu icon on the top right, and you can notice where it says your pages. Go ahead and click on that, and here is going to display all the whole pages that you have created so far. So I have TS Tech Talk, I have TS Tech Talk 2. I'm going to be doing this with TS Tech Talk 2. The reason is because I already linked an account with TS Tech Talk, so I don't want to connect that same account with TS Tech Talk. So I'm going to do this with TS Tech Talk 2. So it's giving me an option to do that, but I'm going to ignore this just to show you guys how it's done, because you might have already skipped this area and will need to be able to do that. So all you need to do is to click on this gear icon on top right. Go ahead and click on that. So you're going to notice where it says WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Now from this area, if this is your first time, it's going to display the phone number for you to link your account. So all you need to do is go ahead and type in the phone number right here. So for my case, I'm going to type in my phone number. And guys, notice that the first option is actually where you enter your country code. So make sure you have your country code added, and then for the phone number area, go ahead and type in your phone number, which is actually the exact phone number that you have that you want to link to this account. So for my case, I'm going to add this one right here, which is probably my WhatsApp business account. Make sure you add your WhatsApp business account also. Click on send code, and the code will be sent to your WhatsApp instantly. So for my case, this is the code that is sent to me. And you guys should know that this is a one-time code. So if they've sent this code before, you're not going to receive it the second time. What I mean is, if they've sent this code before and you try to do this again, they are not going to send this code a second time at the same. So they're going to send you a different code each time you are doing it. So you can notice that it says your accounts are connected. Now people can message you directly on WhatsApp from your Facebook page. You can change the this in the settings area. So just click on done to confirm that you are okay with that. Now you can notice it says use WhatsApp as your page button on. Now another option I want to turn on is where it says show your WhatsApp number on Facebook page. So I want that to be displayed on so that people can also see and copy that if probably they are not able to click on the button. So I'm going to turn this on right there. So once you are okay, that is all for this video. I'm just going to back out, and I will refresh for me to see how this actually updates for us. So I'm not able to see this actually. That's because I'm viewing this page as the page admin. So I'm going to try to view this page, and it's going to be viewed as a stranger. So right here, when somebody scroll and click, actually I'm supposed to be seeing it on the contact area or on the about area, but I'm not able to click on the about area, except I have to view it as an editor. Okay, there you go. This is the WhatsApp number. So somebody can click on this WhatsApp number and be able to be navigated to the WhatsApp section so that they will be able to send us message. So if I go to my WhatsApp business page right here, you can notice that it says Facebook page has been linked and TS Tech Talk 2 has been linked. So I can now click on this option to sync the profile with the Facebook page. So all I need to do is to click on enable, and the sync will be enabled. So it's going to be syncing with the Facebook page. So that is all I need to show you guys for this account. So when next you click on this area, you can notice the account is linked and is also synced. So that is all for this video, guys. Please make sure you do like the video, do subscribe to the channel for more videos. I'm going to be making more videos for you guys, and share the video with your friends so that they will be able to learn more about this. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon on my next video. Peace.